Well, hello everybody. Sorry about all the shadows and stuff here. It's in the afternoon. But I got the Flathead running. Thought I'd start it up for you. Still not quite running exactly right because I set my timing with a vacuum to the carburetor off of the distributor and got it close using my timing light, and then hooked up the vacuum advance thing, and as I run it up and stuff, as the RPM comes up, the distributor's not advancing the timing, so it's not running perfect yet. So I still got to figure that out. But hey, let's start it up for you. Pretty loud because that short pipe. Around 55 psi. Turn the idle up a little bit so it's not so rough. It runs nice and cool. I've been messing around with it for a while, and it's a little over 130 there, and about 130 there. But like I said, it's not advancing on the timing when the RPMs come up, so. But it runs. No funky noises. I think the timings needs a little work, and well, the distributor needs a little work, and also I think my carburetor is not perfect either. I think I don't know, maybe setting the idle jets a little better, a little more run time on it. Setting the idle jets might help, but it does run and runs pretty good. The water pumps I rebuilt don't seem to be leaking or anything. Seem to be working great because the engine, like I said, runs cool. The radiator I bought off eBay, it's for a 29 Model A with a Ford Flathead, and got it set up with a fan, you know, fairly close, like say ½ inch from the radiator, so it's able to pull air through the radiator. Obviously it keeps it really cool. I double checked those meters, the temp gauges, with my thermometer there, laser thermometer, and they're running correct. It does run cool, so that's good. It means all the work cleaning out all the water passages are paying off. As you saw, the oil pressure is good, and yeah, runs good. So you can figure out those little things. And again, sorry for the bad time of day for filming with all these shadows. Alright everybody. Well, hey, thanks for watching.